Do you want a small business website in 2022 but don't know how you can start it? In this video, I'll gonna explain you the complete guide how you can do it. Hey there, I'm Priyesh Turkar from Web Developers and I can develop any kind of website for your business. So what are you waiting for? My Instagram is in description. Go DM me right now. So if we talk about the small business website, it is a type of a business website which is specially developed for small businesses. The majority of its audience has a size of 1000 to 1 lakh. These business websites can be type of services or products. So if you want a small business to make it online, you need a website, and by the help of a website you can target locally and can get more clients from your city, from the group of a city where you conduct your businesses. You can provide services and you can deliver your products into these cities. So the some of the benefits of business websites are: it does marketing for free. With the help of a business website, you can market your own business for a bare cheap cost or sometimes for the free of cost. Second, it gives you a continuous flow of clients so that you can fund your business in an easy way. And third, it helps you make your business online. One of the biggest aspect of today is most of the businesses are not online. So by the help of a small business website, you can make your small business online and visible to the internet so that you can attract more and more visitors and more customers, which will eventually want to increase your profit. Let's talk about the main process of developing a small business website. The process is further divided into 4 steps, which are: first, choosing the name and logo. Name is a very important aspect for a small business. Choose the name very wisely and create a logo by graphic designer very wisely, because it will gonna act as a first symbol of your brand. So after the name selection and logo designing, to the second step, purchasing of hosting and domain. In this step, you have to purchase the domain name of your business and hosting. So let's move on to our next process. It is getting your website designed. After purchasing hosting and domain, you need a graphic designer who can design your website in a most beautiful way so that you can directly convert the visitor into your customer with the help of a design, and that is we can do for yourself. So if you want a website get designed for your business, we can do it. So I am going to show you some of the samples of website design, like how they actually look. And after the designing process, here comes our fourth step: development of the website. The last and the most important process is when the design of your website is converted into a fully functional website. So this process, you have to choose a technology by which you need your website to be developed. It can be WordPress, it can be Wix, it can be any other thing. It can be code also. So it totally depends upon you which technology is comfortable with you. So after choosing the technology, you have to choose the agency by which your website needs to be developed, and after that you have to submit your designs, and later on, by around 1 to 2 weeks, your website is developed and your business is now online. But here, not the complete small business website process ends. Here is a one most important process left, which is SEO, which is none other than search engine optimization. It is a process in which your website is completely optimized according to the search engine aspects of Google, so that it can well rank on Google and attract more and more visitors for you. For this, your website needs to be customized according to the SEO so that it can rank higher and compete with your competitors and can drive more traffic for you. So after following all these processes, after performing all these development processes, your website is finally live on internet, completely developed and ready to bring more visitors for you, ready to bring more customers for you. But after the development process, your website needs to be maintained on regular basis. Can be monthly, it can be weekly. So under this, the content of the website gets changed according to the SEO. The image changes, the text, the copy, the image changes of your website, so that it can well rank on the Google and can hold its position for an on a long-term basis. This process helps really for the long-term purpose of your website, and if you want your business to be online, if you want your website to help you to generate more customers. So yeah, That's it. It is a complete guide 0 to 100 by which you can get your small business website. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to get developed any kind of website, our Instagram is in description. You can DM us there for all your website requirements. I am Priyesh signing off.